welcome back to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy and I do hotel reviews all around the world. I give the most authentic feedback based on my own stay experience. In today's video, I'm going to have a hotel review on InterContinental Paris Le Grand Hotel. InterContinental Hotel is a historic landmark in the City of Lights since 1862. It is inaugurated under Napoleon III. The InterContinental Paris Le Grand is located in the heart of Paris. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and I will start the room tour shortly. Thank you. Voila! Just walking into this room, we've got a beautiful mirror here. On my right side, there's a very tiny bathroom here. Just want to mention this switch is quite unique. So if I just turn this one to this position, you just turn off this light, pull down, you just turn down the light. This toilet is quite small, but it's quite pretty though. In this cabinet must be our complimentary drinks, coffee mugs, instant coffee and tea bags inside it. A kettle, of course some capsules as well. Down here we've got a mini fridge. Wow, it's pretty full inside. Yeah, it's pretty full. It's the mini bar. Some glasses here. To this side we've got a mirror and coffee machine. There's coffee capsules here. 2 bottles of water. We got this beautiful bed. It's very big. On this side we've got a telephone noting pad. What's this one? Oh, some like A4 paper and envelopes inside it. Then on this side we've got a sofa and leg rest, a side table and a beautiful lamp here. Then this door must be the closet. So in this closet we've got an in-room safe and iron. What is this one though? So let me quickly open it. In a file. Oh. It's a laundry stuff. We've got this iron board and some clothes hangers over this side. The very last one, we got a very long pillow, some clothes hangers as well. Then it's time to show you guys our bathroom that's coming in. It's not very big, but it's quite pretty. We've got a marble bench here and the toiletries from Barredo, quite typical for InterContinental. And this is a vanity set in a box. And a hair dryer and 2 slippers over there and a scale here. And here we've got 2 bathrobes. Then this is the bathroom, the shower room, not like the setting, and it's quite small as well. I want to open this one, then walk into this. So you can see there's a shower head over the top and a flexible one just right here. But the good thing is like we've got some toiletries inside it, so it's quite convenient. We don't have to move those things up to this side. And some bath towels of the top here. And one last one, I'm gonna show you our view. So here's a window in the bathroom. I don't think we can fully open this window, but this is the courtyard. But if you look over to that side, the top, there's a crown. That is the Paris Opera. So this hotel has a very good location to that attraction. Yeah, that's about the room tour. And tomorrow morning we're gonna show you the breakfast buffet downstairs. Good morning, everyone. Just want to give you a quick wrap up on my feelings for staying with InterContinental Paris. So the first thing I want to say is the design of the toilet. The toilet doesn't have a washing basin. After using the toilet, we have to walk through this room, then to the bathroom to wash our hands, which is so inconvenient, to be honest. Yesterday, we were both in the room, and the staff just came to deliver our welcome gift, but he didn't lock the door. He just opened the door and came in straight away, which makes us so uncomfortable because I think it's common sense to lock the door before entering into someone's room, isn't it? And we wanted to do the ironing yesterday. It's really dark and we could barely see the thing. So I wish they could have like better lighting in this room. Also, the Wi-Fi really sucks in this hotel, and the Wi-Fi speed is like extremely slow when watching videos sort of things. So the hotel has a very smart location. It's just like 1 minute walk to the opera, and it is beautiful. I cannot deny the beauty of this hotel, and it has so much history, and yeah, it's a very pretty hotel. And also the breakfast buffet was just amazing. I really love it. It offers like Asian style and Western style of breakfast, which is amazing because sometimes I'm a little bit craving for Asian style breakfast. So, and the dumplings, they have fillings of prawns and crab meat inside it, which is lovely. I was so happy and I was so grateful to have breakfast in this hotel. Then talking about membership benefits, so we've received this sheet, and it has a list of what we're gonna receive. So the first thing it mentions is the guaranteed 1 category room upgrade. Yeah, we've got that one. We've booked a basic room, and our room has been upgraded to a premium room. The second one is in-room welcome amenity. We've got it. So complimentary mineral water, restaurant and bar credit, $20 restaurant and bar credit. We've used it in the bar last night. Thank you so much for your watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.